I want to talk a little bit about interprofessionalism. How many of you are familiar with that term? Interprofessionalism. Okay, this is a massive and very important area that all of you are going to become very familiar with. It's about working with people at with different expertise within the field of behavioral or mental health. So if it's working with psychiatrists, you might be working with primary care physicians, and they're going to be referring to you. You're going to need to be able to reach out to these folks, to doctors, maybe in rural areas. Maybe you're going to be the only person that's going to focus on eating disorders. And you might get calls from people all over the region to attend to issues related to that. So you're going to want to be able to reach out effectively and work with LCSWs or the LPCCs or MFTs. And so it's how you do that that I want to spend some time focusing on. Because what we see in some training sites where we have doctoral students and master's students side by side, we have issues of hierarchy coming up. Power differentials, where the doc students let it be known that compared to the master's students that they belong to some special higher class. And if these kinds of behaviors get perpetrated out or perpetuated out in the field, this is going to cause some problems in your work environments. So I really want to urge you all to think about what that means to be working side by side other professionals. Part of that would mean having an understanding of what is the difference between what you all will be doing as doctoral level practitioners and professionals versus what are the competencies and scope of practice of the master's level. And then understanding what are the differences in training, how you've been trained and the traditions that you've been educated in differ from the traditions that other folks are coming from.